welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my new book. I've just completed the book. It's a lovely little book on prayer. The title is The Names of God and the subtitle is How to Pray with the Names of God by Caroline Bimbo Afolalu Mua. And I hope you'll be able to order a copy of this book from Amazon. It's available in ebook and also hard copy, paperback, for $9.99. That's the back of it. It says the names of God, how to pray with God's name. Teach us how to pray. You know how the disciples asked Jesus Christ, teach us how to pray. And I've said this was the question the disciple asked Jesus. The book is designed to show the readers how to pray using the name of God. The book helps the reader to know God through his name. The book will help the readers to develop the wisdom and the understanding required to tap into the benefits and the attributes of the benevolent nature of God revealed in his name in the Bible. The book conveys the excitement of the application of God's wonderful names to daily Christian living and to effective prayer life. It's my prayer, like I've said in this book, that this book will help my reader to develop a prayerful life and a beautiful walk with God, Almighty God, the Father of heaven. And this, I hope you'll be able to share with your friends and family as well. I thank you for listening to my channel, and I hope to see you again soon.